Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and as you can see guys that I have created a project in my CapCut. Then I'm going to remove this object from my video. First of all guys, we can duplicate this clip. Just click on the clip and we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. This one, click on duplicate and click on overlay because we want to overlay this video. Then we can drag the second video or the second clip to make it align with the first clip. And we're going to put mask to the second video to cover this object. Click on the second clip and we're going to select mask option. Click on the mask and select the type of the mask. I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can adjust the size of the mask. And I'm going to take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the object. Once we're done, we can click on the check mark and we can drag the mask to cover this object. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the brightness. We can go to adjust right here and I'm going to increase the brightness. Okay, increase it a little bit. Okay, and I think it looks perfect, and this is the final result. And I guess that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video on CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.